Welcome back to Cyber Learnings, your go-to channel for all things in tech. Today we will guide on supercharging your Chrome app with these 5 tips and tricks. Tip 1. Dark mode. To give your phone's screen a sleek look, open Chrome on Android, go to Settings, then Themes, and select Dark mode for a more immersive experience. Tip 2. Refreshing pages. Stay up to date on live blogs with ease. Simply pull down from the address bar to quickly refresh a page. Tip 3. Managing tabs. Manage your tabs effortlessly. Swipe down from the address bar to see all your open background tabs, making navigation a breeze. Tip 4. Desktop site view. If a mobile site isn't functioning well, switch to the desktop version. Click the 3-dot menu, select Desktop Site, and enjoy the desktop experience. Tip 5. Custom homepage. Personalize your Chrome experience by changing your home button's destination. Head to Settings, click on Homepage, and set it to a site you prefer. These Chrome app tips and tricks will enhance your browsing experience. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Cyber Learnings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for awesome content.